Renewable energy capabilities. With the belief that the Earth's fossil fuel supplies will be depleted, many energy experts feel the future lies in renewable, environmentally friendly energy sources such as wind and solar power. Cables in Helukabel's renewable energy product portfolio can be deployed in renewable energy installations around the world since they are designed to withstand even the harshest of weather and temperature conditions. Helukabel's solar cabling options cover the entire spectrum of solar cell systems, from the inverter to the grid. In the early 90s, we developed the first solar cables that are marketed today under our leading SOLARFLEX trademark, with global approvals from TÜV, VDE, among many others. Our Helucat 600 and 600 AE data cables enable you to monitor photovoltaic system performance and are perfect for outdoor or direct burial installation. Together with our state-of-the-art solar connectors, we offer our solar industry customers pre-assembled solar cables and wires for quick plug-and-play installation on site at commercial, industrial, and residential solar installations. With more than 30 years of experience in cable development and production, using the most modern materials based on the latest research and development, Helukabel is the worry-free choice for solar power cabling solutions.